Are you getting annoyed by the Srmm module DLL causing your system integrity to fail? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows system specialist. Let's resync your file architecture right now. To begin the walkthrough for Srmm module, you can choose the manual path or use a resource designed for environment stability. This is the Srmm module. The System Resource Management Module, SRMM, is a system library that tracks hardware usage, CPU and RAM. While usually internal, its absence or corruption can lead to the Performance tab in Task Manager appearing blank or crashing the system process during metric gathering. Knowing the file's purpose is helpful, but now we need to physically restore it. This is an OS-level file error that requires a system integrity scan. Open Command Prompt as an administrator and run sfc/scan now to allow Windows to verify its core files and automatically restore Srmm module DLL. When the primary installation path fails, a more surgical approach to checking your system's environmental variables is required. If your system has been running for an extended period, a reboot might be necessary to resync your background processes and clear any temporary locks on the Srmm module file. To avoid losing your place during the restart, bookmark this page now, or hit the like button to save this video to your library for easy access later. If the software remains unresponsive after the reboot, we'll transition to manual environment synchronization. Feel free to pause the video during the sync process. If the restart failed to clear the system error, our next step is a deep cleanup of the OS servicing folders. First, open Command Prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type DISM /cleanup-image//restore health, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, uses Microsoft's remote server repository to overwrite damaged system source files and restore your OS framework to its original state. It's worth taking a moment to discuss the safe acquisition of runtime components. Protect your workstation by avoiding the temptation of quick manual fixes for Srmm module DLL, as most free repositories prioritize ad revenue over file safety, often leading to the installation of obsolete or harmful software. Rather than managing individual dependencies, a comprehensive diagnostic can help you maintain the entire software environment. To ensure your system configuration matches its capabilities, the repair resource below provides informational guidance on Srmm module. Your feedback is valuable. If this fix got Srmm module working for you, please like the video and subscribe to stay informed on maintaining a secure environment.